This is the fourth video of the development of the cardiovascular septum, where we are going to say about the development of the interventricular septum.
Now, already we know this is the bulbous cordis. Bulbous cordis, that is the ventricle, atrium, and sinus venosus. BVAS.
BVAS, anterior to posteriorly.
Yes. Now we will see the development of interventricular septum. So this is the ventricle. This is the ventricle, left side.
Left side.
Ventricle, atrium, and this is the bulbous cordis. Bulbous cordis is again divided into truncus, arteriosus, and conus. Okay. Now see. This is the epicusson. This is the fused epicusson.
Yes.
Already we know fused epicusson.
Already you explained this part.
Fused epicusson. Now see, this is the bulbous cordis. Within the bulbous cordis, this is the spiral septum. Spiral septum. So this is the lowermost part of the spiral septum. So this lowermost part of the spiral septum, and this is the original. This green color part is the original part of the interventricular septum. So for this interventricular septum, we can see
So this diagram alignment.
Yes. So this is the original midline ridge. So this is the original midline ridge.
Okay.
The original midline ridge. So due to dilatation of this ventricle, the dilatation, this arrows
Blood is coming. That means blood is coming, giving the pressure over it.
Due to the entry of blood and the blood pressure, this is the pushing of the wall of this ventricle, and this wall of the ventricles are dilating, and size is increasing, and due to this increased size, there will be two prominent ventricles. Okay. And this midline part is the original ridge, muscular ridge. So this is the original muscular part of the interventricular septum. Okay, muscular part of the interventricular septum. And here you see this is the spiral septum, the lower part of this spiral septum. This is the lower part of the spiral septum.
Okay.
Right dorsal and left ventral. Right dorsal and left ventral conus swelling.
Okay.
These are coming to fill up the interventricular septum, I mean the formation of the interventricular septum. So even after contribution from these two sources, one source is the original muscular ridge, and the second is the lower part of the conotrangal septum or spiral septum. So there will be a gap.
Yes, this one is the gap.
So this gap is filled up by this fused epicusson, I mean the septum intermedium.
Okay.
So you see this is the fused epicusson. So from the lower part of this fused epicusson, this is the proliferation, membranous proliferation, filling the gap.
This is membranous part.
Yes, this is also membranous part, but this is the muscular part.
Muscular part. Only this one is the muscular part.
Yes, these two are the membranous. So this proliferation of this epicusson will fill up the remaining gap.
Okay.
Which is not done. Which is not done by the muscular and this membranous part. So as a whole, this is the interventricular septum. This interventricular septum sources, one is the muscular part, membranous from the fused epicusson, and this is two membranous part coming from the spiral septum, lower part of the spiral septum.
Okay.
Here also you can see in this model. This model is taken from this diagram. Yes, this diagram. So here you see, you focus this one. So here you see this is the original muscular part of the interventricular septum. Above this muscular part of this interventricular septum, you see this is the blue colored proliferation of anterior atrioventricular cushion. Okay. So this blue colored, this is the blue colored.
Yes.
In this model, blue color coming from the fused epicusson. Is coming from the fused epicusson, and this is the lowermost part of the spiral septum, right dorsal and left ventral conus swelling. So they are coming from the upper side, and this muscular part is going
from the lower part.
So this is the gap. This gap is filled up by the this gap is filled up by this blue structure,
membranous
part. I mean, this is the proliferation from the epicusson. So this is about the formation of the development of the interventricular septum.
Okay, that means only three sources. Only three sources?
Yes. One source for the muscle, original muscular ridge. Second two swelling, two corner swelling, right dorsal and left ventral corner swelling. Okay. Then third one is the membranous proliferation from the fused
Epi.
evacuation.
Okay. Thank you.